some inspirational pictures for applications of natural coral done on stone on some interior projects. We're also going to have a bathroom application. This should be sitting in a restaurant overlooking the water. Stones are ever the same. Outside on the lanai, wrap the windows and the doors with coral stone. Really look beautiful. Bathrooms, vanity tops, walls, floor. This customer actually carved little pockets with a Dremel tool and embedded little pieces of epoxy. Looks like it's been dipped in glass. Beautiful. I love it. In Australia, a hotel. I wrapped all these columns with 20. Go to the description below and find my website. Then send me an email button and give me a thumbs up. And leave me any helpful comments. I would appreciate